Hi, I'm Tom Chatfield. I'm the author of the book Think Critically, and I thought I'd record a quick message for you from the study where I wrote it to say that I hope you enjoy it. It's a short and I hope very practical book about the fundamentals of organising your time, your attention and your thinking. I'm a great believer in the idea that critical thinking is not just about reasoning and evidence, although these are very important. It's also about creating times and spaces and habits that allow us to think twice, to take control of technology rather than feel controlled by it, and to make use of the astonishing tools and opportunities at our disposal. It's a beautiful little book. You can scribble in it, you can carry it around, and I hope it is a useful companion to you to support your learning, your studies, your growth, your self-confidence, and to help you think about thinking itself and what it means to you to become a better thinker. Thank you very much.